child health nursing subject, unit 4, disorders and health problems of a child. Okay, in this one discuss the topic is the child abuse. Okay, this part 3 regarding child abuse. Okay, in this video we have discussed causes. Okay, what are the reasons for the child abuse? Okay, what are the reasons? Like here the parents who are physically abused. Okay, here the parents who are having the physically abuse their spouses. Okay, here mainly the parents will give some of the physical abuse to their children. Okay, physical abuse nothing but harassment in the physical parts of the body. Okay, they are giving some of the touching or some of the punishment or some of the shaking or burning to the child. Okay, here unintended pregnancies, mainly the pregnancy number should be increased or unwanted pregnancies. Okay, then only the child should be undergone the child abuse. Okay, next sometimes the substance abuse. Okay, when the children or the parents undergone like some substance abuse like alcoholism or the cocaine or the heroin. Okay, excessive alcohol intake is there in the parents means the parents will they are unconscious or they are having the unconcentrate on the child care. Okay, why? Because they are undergone some alcohol intake. That's why they are not having sufficient memory. Okay, these are the kids. We are not giving any punishment to the children like that. They are forget. Why? Because in their body the alcoholic percentage should be increased. That's why they are giving some punishment to the children. Okay, next another one is the domestic violence. This is also one risk for the child abuse. Another one is the alcohol and drug abuse. This is also one risk for the child abuse. Okay, next untreated mental illness. Untreated mental illness. It is also one risk factor for the physical abuse or the child abuse in the children. Okay, here domestic violence how means in this the mother, okay, every mother will give proper care and love and affection to the children, but sometimes the mother will having some harassment or some delaying in care. Okay, they are not giving proper care to their children. Why? Because here she is not having this is my best child or this is the best mother for the children, like that they are not maintaining good relationship in between the mother and children. Okay, here the mother will not give proper protection to their children. Okay, here she is not giving proper protection to the children or she is giving some physical abuse to the children. Okay, she is not maintaining good relationship between the mother or parents or the children, or she is not giving any protection to the children, but she is giving some physical harassment to the children. Okay, in this the situation the mother will give extreme damage to the children. Okay, extreme damage. How means in previous videos we have discussed, the child should be not following some rules. Okay, they are having negative behavior or the child should not interested to the mother. Okay, sometimes the mother having 6 or 7 members of girl child. Okay, she want one boy child. Okay, she is did not get any boy child means she is having some type of mental illness. Okay, she is avoiding their girl child. Okay, that's why she is giving some punishment to the children by physically. Okay, next another one is the alcohol and drug abuse. Okay, in this alcohol and drug abuse, what happens means here the alcohol and drug abuse here alcoholic addicts is a very difficult for children's care. Okay, the mother who are or parents who are undergoing some alcohol addicts, they are not giving proper care, proper love and affection, they are not fulfilling proper basic needs to the children. That's why the child should be undergone the child abuse. Okay, what is the major reason for child abuse means alcohol. Okay, who parents should be undergone this addicts of alcohol, that child should be undergone the child abuse. Okay, here she is not give any care to the children, or she is not unable to providing care. Okay, when she is taking some alcohol, she is unable to provide proper care to the children. Okay, next another one is the untreated mental illness. Okay, in this untreated mental illness, what happens means the parents who are suffering with the depression, okay, who are suffering with the mental depression nothing but it is a one disorder, it's related to mind. Here the mother or the parent should have some mental disturbance. Why? Because so many reasons is there in their life. Okay, sometimes break their good relationship like wife and husbands, or they are the mother having some harassment from the higher authority or the other persons. Okay, then only the mother should have some depression, or sometimes the mother having the in the physical parts they are having some diseases, that's why she is undergone the depression. Okay, due to the depression, the mother not giving proper treatment or proper care, proper love and affection to the children, that's why the child should be undergone the child abuse. Okay, next in this the mother having some of the anxiety disorders. Okay, some of the mental disorders like anxiety disorders, here what happens means over excitement, over anxiety is there in the parents. Okay, then the child will do some wrong situation. Okay, as a mother, okay, as a parent, we are taking like, okay, the children, they don't know, that's why they are doing some type of mistakes. Okay, then you are giving some type of corrections. Okay, you should not doing like this. Okay, this is the negative way or this is the bad way for doing this. Okay, like that we are giving some modified behavior therapy to the children. But who are having depression or who are having anxiety, excessive excitement means the child will do some wrong, means they are doing they are giving severe punishment. Why? Because they are having the anxiety disorders in their mentally, that's why they are not giving proper health education to the children. Okay, these type of children undergone the child abuse. Okay, sometimes mental illness, due to the excessive mental illness, the child should be trouble. Okay, due to the excessive mental illness, the mother will trouble for providing proper care to the children. Okay, who are having mentally healthy, those parents are give proper care, proper love and affection, proper development in their life. Okay, they are giving good opportunities for development in their life. But who are having unhealthy physically or mentally or socially, means in the society they are maintaining some bad relationship or bad opinions in the society. Due to that effect, they are avoiding their child care. Okay, the child should be undergone some child abuse. Child abuse, what is that? Child abuse nothing but the child should be punishing, the child should be harassing. Okay, why this harassment means? These are the reasons. Okay, sometimes the poor economical status or the poverty also lead for the one cause for the this type of child abuse. Why? Because there is no economical status for providing or for fulfilling their needs. Okay, that's why they are having the child abuse. Okay, sometimes the child not having healthy. Okay, sometimes the child also their own means improper love and affection or improper relationship with the siblings or improper communication with the parents. Okay, they are not sharing. Okay, I am having this type of bad situation or I am having this type of good situation, like that in between parents and children they are not having open communications. When they are maintaining communication, when they are sharing their feelings and ideas, okay, the problem will solve. Okay, here sometimes the child is not open with the parents or the parents not open in front of children. Okay, here some type of communication barriers is there, some type of disturbance is there. Okay, that's why the child will be undergone the some of the child abuse. Okay, this is regarding child abuse.